fuel black marketing allegations have surfaced in the Chitrakonda area of Malkangiri district. Residents claim that while ordinary consumers are struggling to get petrol and diesel from fuel stations, the same fuel is allegedly being sold illegally at higher prices. According to complaints, petrol and diesel are being sold during the night in barrels and cans, with an additional 5 rupees charged per litre above the official rate. The alleged practice has triggered resentment among local residents. Responding to the allegations, Chitrakonda Civil Supplies Marketing Inspector Harish Malik said that instructions have already been issued prohibiting the sale of fuel in barrels. He stated that the petrol pump management would be directed to ensure that such activities are stopped immediately. Meanwhile, the owner of the petrol pump could not be contacted for a response regarding the allegations. The administration is expected to look into the matter following the complaints raised by locals.
आमको ये तेल मिलूनी लिटर 2 लिटर दिए 200 टकार भी मिलूनी माने एमिति माने कला व्यापारी करतंदी गत 2 दिन तळे जाई थाना रे बसथिले एमान सब नै कि करथिले हमको मिलला बेले 200 टकार कि 300 टकार तेल दउ नांदी तेल जाउची कला व्यापारी राती अधरे आसिकरी माने 5 टका अधिक नेउतंदी कि 2 टका अधिक नेउतंदी करतंदी जहा व्यापार करतंदी समान करतंदी प्रशासन को भी एतिकी अनुरोध जो कला बजारी करते आम कहीं तेल 2 लिटर पाइबुनु बाहर जाई कहीं 200 टका देकी पकईबू 150 टका देकी पकईबू 160 टका देकी कहीं पकईबू।